Hey guys, Avi here, and welcome to our brand new series, Bullseye, creating our first iOS application. Now that we've covered all the basics of Swift and we know what's going on, we can finally dive into Xcode and dive into creating our very own iOS applications. Now, the game that we'll be creating will be known as Bullseye, and the core concept of Bullseye is that a random number is generated, in this case 66, we have to move our slider to what we think is 66, and then we check to see if our answer is right. More than that, we've added a mode called exact mode, where you have to get the exact answer to actually be right. Right now, it's looking for a range to see that, hey, if our number is in a specific range from 62 to 67 or 63 to 69, based on that range, you will get it right or wrong. So let's go ahead and play again. I'm going to say that this is 70, hit check. I got that wrong again. Let's try 19. So I think this is 19, and I got that right. So when I'm in the specific range, I'll get it right. When I'm wrong, when I'm not in the range, I'll get it wrong. Again, it's a very simple application. There's a very clean UI, a very simple UI. We'll be understanding how to write all of this code, how Xcode works, how to design the UI and add constraints. And by the end of these series of videos, you will have created your very first iOS application. Now, if you want to learn how to make more applications and become an iOS developer, I highly suggest you to check out my Kickstarter that's going on currently right now. In it, I'll teach you how to create over 9 different applications. We'll cover a whole bunch of concepts, and there are 4 days left to back this course. Now again, if you're looking at this and this course has already been backed, don't worry, you can always check out my Udemy profile, udemy.com, or just search my name in Google, Avinar Jain, and the first link is my Udemy profile. So sometime in August or September, I plan to launch the iOS development course. And if you're watching this YouTube series and it's August or September and you want to learn how to make iOS applications, I highly suggest you take a look at my iOS development course and see if this interests you. Anyways, thanks so much for listening, guys. Again, this is an introduction video to the application that we're making. It's called Bullseye, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll see you in the next video.